One of them is going to be August and Everything After by Counting Crows.
Okay.
One of them is going to be Flood by They Might Be Giants, because that's where I got the name for the record store.
Okay.
One of them is going to be, let's see,
No pressure.
Off the Wall by Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Because I'm going to piss a lot of people off here and say that 1978 Disco Michael is better than any other Michael. Fight me. We don't have enough time for this? I'm sorry. Yeah. Number 4, in no particular order. Let's see. I'm gonna say, there's an album by a Japanese artist called Love Trip, and her name is Takako Mamiya, and it's the most gorgeous city pop album. It's like most people don't rank it high. I love it. I love it to death. I'll listen to it over and over and over.
You're at that
And then
prestigious 5th spot.
number 5.
5.
Number 5.
Make it count.
Songs in the Key of Life
Oh,
by
wow.
Stevie Wonder.